14 mar tuke mag Kipchumba Karori International volleyball tournament biro nywako timbe mawuok Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda to gi pinje mamoko mag Afrika ma ugwe. Tuke go dhi bedo e kind tarik 12 kod nyaka 15 Eldoret National Polytechnic e county ma Uasin Gishu. Tuke go geto bero tuk volleyball e alworano, kamano biro chiwo thuolo mar yango talanta mar jodak makono. KCB en achiel kuom timbe madhi yuore tuke go kaka jaloch ma pacho kam. Nyasi nono yuori gi jata tije ma Extreme Sports Hussein Mohammed.
You've made Kenya proud under the stewardship of the likes of Dan and your president and the rest of the team. So to the team, hongera. We need now to emulate that across other sports. And football has to be up there.
My message to our KCB fans is that KCB is still there. We are still the champions. I'm going to Eldoret for the tournament. We are going to make them proud because we are going to win. Our coaches kept on encouraging us and telling us that everything is possible. So far we are doing well, and they kept on telling us we can do it.